everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to manually type in a specific time on your Xbox Series X. So if the one that you're entering it is wrong or something like that, what you want to do is go to Settings and then go to General and go to Network Settings. And then you want to go to where it says Go Offline and go offline on your Xbox Series X. So once you have it offline, you want to hold down the Xbox button and then go to Restart Console right here. And once you restart, your Xbox is going to launch when it's offline. And then you want to go down to System and then go to Time right here. You can see your time zone on the left and then daylight savings and the 24-hour clock. But if you are online, you won't see these options to the right where it says time and date. So you need to restart your console when your console is offline for these to appear. Then you can manually type in a time, AM or PM, and then you can go to the date. So it's March 10th right now, 2024 at 11:42. So once you enter in the correct time, you can go back to General, go to Network Settings, and then you can go to Online. And it should take effect now. So just go ahead and try that out. See if it works for you. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.